want to be the exit liquidity.
Well, that's nice. I like that.
I'm not sure I want to be the exit liquidity.
Yeah, you hear the term exit liquidity, and it's just as it is. People need to cash out, and these people have got in a lot cheaper than you got in. So the whole point here is to realize that these VCs, these investors that get in early, they're not actually that great investors. They get it in a silver's platter. They get very cheap tokens, they pump it, and then they sell. It doesn't take any real skill to see the fundamental values of the chain, doesn't have censorship resistance, doesn't have any kind of longevity. So when you're out there and you're looking at projects and you don't want to be exit liquidity, the first thing you want to look at is make sure they have no pre-seeds, no pre-mines. You don't want to smell any pre-mines. If they do, you have to understand that your incentives are not aligned. People who grow together on a network tend to stay with the network. People who get in early tend to get out early.